can see there's a lot of white smoke blowing out of this one. I've took the turbo off. All the intake pipes were filled with oil, so, and the shaft definitely has some play on it, so I'm just going to chuck another used one in. That seems okay, and then we'll see if the smoke is gone. So, broken turbo, replacement turbo, obviously the second hand, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to, maybe we can hear the noise. Yeah, so listen to this, is the forward and back play. Right, try again. Hold on. See, you can hear quite a lot of play. So that's side to side, in and out. It's quite loose. So I'm going to replace it with the other one. And as you can see now, no more smoke. So obviously when I fired it back up, it was still pluming smoke out. But I guess there must be obviously quite a bit of residual oil in the intake and the exhaust. So I ticked it over for quite a while on the drive. It was still there, got a little bit less, and then I took it for a good run, and gradually the smoke got less and less, and then now there's no smoke at all. Even when you give it a bit of beans, there's nothing. So job done, I think.